ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Go.
Chocolate bar, sitting by a campfire under the stars. Marshmallows, marshmallows, sticky and sweet. Put them all together and you got a treat. Busted.
Do you want to do loving you?
Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful.
That's very good, girls. Now you guys say, love you, Jazzy.